Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, surface cover, optical drive, hard disk drive, wireless module, keyboard, top cover, and system board. Removal: loosen the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the secondary heatsink to the system board. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal pad located between the secondary heatsink and processor, it may be necessary to move the secondary heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Remove the secondary heatsink. Replacement. Note: before replacing the secondary heatsink, the thermal pad should be replaced. The thermal pad should be replaced every time the secondary heatsink is removed. Position the secondary heatsink over the processor and align the two mounting screws with the standoffs on the system board. Tighten the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the secondary heatsink to the system board.